Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus sitting in the sign of Aquarius, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Tower card. So something must have happened recently. There's sort of, things moving slow, could be anxiety, could be depression, maybe a relationship that you wanted to blossom, or you wanted to cultivate into something more. Maybe a crush has not worked out, maybe your person said no to something, or there's sort of a distance or a separation in a relationship. Maybe you've been uh, you know stuck away from your partner or from your boyfriend or from your husband, and that's kind of giving you this energy of feeling alone, feeling sort of like where you feel sort of sad and you want to cry. So that sort of energy. uh, the next card I have for you guys is the King of Wands. See, a lot of passion. So, for singles, it does seem like you have been single for a very long time, and there is a fire sign coming towards you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, very, very quickly. I would call my dibs on the sign of Leo because there's another strength card and you see a lion, so Leo zodiac is very prominent. For everyone else, you could be dealing with somebody who is a fire sign, at the same time who could also be a Scorpio. But there is a sense that you have been feeling alone, you have been feeling left out, and you are on the verge of losing your patience. It's like you want to move forward, you are in this together, like you know that you're capable of moving forward, you know that you have the power, you have the strength, and you yourself by yourself are amazing. But I think it's the patience that's kind of eating you out, because with fire signs, patience doesn't really work. They don't believe in things of patience. So make sure you don't lose your patience and keep that fire burning inside you, because you absolutely have a lot of energy coming from this pile. The next card is Knight of Cups. So see, you are going to eventually get together, you are going to receive a very good news. For all the singles, you could receive an offer from a fire sign or from a Scorpio. But definitely there is some kind of news that is coming towards you, or you have a choice between two people. One could be somebody who's a little elder to you in age, or more stronger personality, more magnetic personality, while the other person is very emotional, very soft personality. And then we have the Eight of Wands. So definitely communication is coming towards you very, very quickly. uh, there's also a possibility that you guys are in a long distance relationship with the Eight of Wands coming up. There is space between you, a lot of communication is happening either via social media or any of the apps. So I don't see you staying together so far, like in the same house, or very close to each other. So I don't see it. I do see some kind of distance, that's for sure. And at the bottom of the deck I have the Emperor card, which is again very strong fire energy. That's such a strong fire energy, Aquarians. You have been dealing with somebody, and this Emperor card showing up, somebody who is very intelligent. Now this person is very intelligent, this person is very logical, and this person is someone who wants to reach out to you and give you the stability that you desire. So they know what you have been through in the past. Maybe you have had your heart broken in the past and you were unsure of this situation and this relationship, but this person who's coming towards you is going to give you that stability. They want to offer you that stability. The next card I have for you is the Page. Oh my god, this is so cute. You definitely have choices. There is also a possibility that some of you guys might have met while doing something creative, or your attraction towards each other was because you share common interests or common hobbies. So that sort of thing is very prominent. And if you look at this card, you see this woman is she's focused on painting. She's painting. That means it has 100% got to do something with creativity, something that's different, something that's fun. And I think you guys are doing it. You might be doing it like using social media, or using Zoom or whatever, but you definitely there are certain things about you and your person that you share, like some hobbies. And the next card I have for you is the Seven of Pentacles, which is telling me that, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of love. This person or you are tired of waiting, but whatever you want is real, it's very authentic, but you'll have to wait for it. And number seven, we are talking about the planet Neptune. It's all about intuition, which tells me you'll know, like, you have invested right now. The time for you is to wait. Just wait for the result, because with the COVID situation and all, things are pretty hard. So that is the only advice. And at the bottom of the deck, see again, nine or one, so you've got to wait. Things are going to move ahead, but definitely you'll have to wait. Now, the funniest thing is, you should definitely go and check your person's chart, because I can guarantee that there's a very, very strong fire element. Either they are a fire sign themselves, either their sun, moon, rising, or Venus is sitting in a fire sign, because that's a lot of fire energy. There's like a lot of attraction, there's a lot of passion, in this relationship or situationship that you are in. Let's see from the Love Oracle what messages we are getting. The first card I have for you is give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. So definitely, something that we have been talking, that you kind of have to work for it. Like, you have to keep going, you have to spend time together, whether it's online, because there is a distance for many of you. You guys are in a long distance relationship. The next card I have for you is children. Your love life is being affected by children. So hobbies, having that very childlike approach towards life, enjoying or looking at life through a very different lens. So these things are sort of very prominent. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out your career readings and your readings by your date of birth.